My name is Daniela Villarico and I up the laundry corner here is Stargate Shopping Center, Port Kennedy, WA. The idea of the laundromat came about when my mom and I visited our local laundromat, and my mom has mentioned she wanted to retire soon, so she wants to invest the money that she have now into a business that could generate a passive income. Coming across Richard J has been really blessing. I'm really glad that I'm across Richard J because from the very start they have been supportive. So we currently have all the Electrolux Professional machines, from washers to dryers. They have been really good because they are long-lasting, durable, fast and efficient. My favorite feature about it is we can have a liquid detergent island so that customers don't have to bring their own. It's hassle-free, it's messy-free for us. We also have the Tangier Bay kiosks and Tangier Bay QR codes that customers can use to pay for the laundry, the washing or the drying. The one thing that the customers, the locals have loved about our laundromat is that it's modern, it's clean, it's fast. They can do their washing and drying in just under an hour.